Come along with us. We're going to go get a tractor, put the forks on, and get us a pine log for the sawmill. This little board and batten car shed is what got me into sawmilling. I did some price checking and I found out I could buy Woodland Mills HM 126 cheaper than I could buy the lumber to build the building with. So we bought the little sawmill, built the little building. And 4 sawmills later, we're still sawing a few boards, maybe building a little stuff. A Kawasaki mule might run this fast, out of gear, downhill, with no brakes. Well, we made it to the tractor barn. We'll go around here and look at this equipment. We're going to put one of these things on the back of the 2635. It's going to take a few minutes to get this thing hooked up, so I'm not going to make you suffer through that. We'll kind of take a break here and come back when we're done. I wish I could hook that stuff up that fast. Now we're going to wrestle the forks on. Now we'll take a ride over to the log pile or around to the sawmill and look at the pretty trees on our way. Well, that's about halfway through. Now would probably be a real good time to like and subscribe. This is a 14-foot, 18-inch log. We're going to saw from 3.5 by 5.5 pieces out of it. One of the neighbors wants to make him a scissors truss and makes it kind of look like it's been timber framed. I think that'll be big enough to create the illusion. Put those folding ramps up. I've tripped over those other ones 1,000 times. These are kind of aggravating to put up and put down every time, but I believe it's better than falling on your nose. I peeled the bark off this log the other day, and it's still kind of wet on the outside. It's been raining around here a little bit. I don't know whether I can get it rolled up those ramps or not. twist it around here a little bit and get it hit on the deck the way we want it. I couldn't get it to roll, just wanted to spin that old slick log. So we got the tractor and we're going to stick it on there with the forks. And so far this is working pretty good. There it went, right up on the sawmill. We'll get the pith leveled up here and get ready to saw. Saw it another day. I'm glad y'all came to see us. I hope you'll come back, and remember to like and subscribe.